What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Buckeye Bass. Today, we're taking the kayak out, do a little bit of pond fishing. Hopefully, they're biting. The other day when we was out here, we didn't have too much luck. Got a new rod, new reel. Let's get in the water, man, and try to catch us something. Thanks. Alright, got the yak out in the water. I'm not sure what I want to start off with first. Maybe run this, maybe this shad around or something, see what we can catch. Maybe if they're roaming the banks or whatnot. I do want to try up underneath this tree here. I had some luck with it the other day. Throw out the loose spinning rod with a lunker log attached onto it. We'll run with black and blue for 1 ounce weight, bullet weight. The water's not too bad, not too murky. Should be able to see this pretty good, I'd say. Now, I haven't caught a fish yet on this reel. I just picked it up the other day. So if we catch one on it today, then we're forever gonna love it. Fucking skeeters. I'm kind of only got about an hour or so fishing, so I'm gonna be kind of quick with this speed fish. Can't really take my time, but I would like to. Hopefully we catch something in the time that we have the fish. So I'm not trying to make this a challenge or anything, not even for catching on the new rod and reel. Yeah, I mean, I would like to challenge myself and to catch a fish, but I'm not really gonna like make it set in stone that I'm really gonna challenge that. I don't know, I don't think it would be bright enough for topwater, but it's late enough for topwater for sure. Topwater catch would be good. Any catch would be good right now. Alright, the tree. Well, looks like we're going for a ride. Just my luck. There we go. She's a free worm. Try to sneak up on him. All stealthy and silent. Just creep in like an old Indian. Hit the brakes a little bit here. Let's try it up on this bank. Something or not. Yeah, I'm a little close to my AO here. Okay. Alright, so must be a stick right there. Felt that. You know what? I want to throw out a little top water for a bit. Just to see what happens. love that top water bite when we get it, just that blow up. So amazing. We're trying out different things here, you know what I mean? Pond's can be pretty brutal sometimes.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I
Oh,
just
there we go. Yeah.
even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go,
Yeah. Stop. Yo, flip it. Flip it up. Dude. There we go. First bass of the day. First bass on the Googan popper for the day. And nice bass for the kayak. Let's get him home. Alright. Let's try to catch us another one real quick. At least we didn't get skunked.
never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go.
Not windy out.
Answer to no, man, I still go.
Not whipping it. Just broke my GoPro. Oh man. Ooh, woo-hoo-hoo. Nice jump, buddy. Look at that. Broke my GoPro right off chest mount here. I don't know. Oh shit. Man, that's about a good pound and a half. Oh. This is the same guy. Alright, a little bit. He's bleeding for some weird reason. Oh man, straight knocked my GoPro off. I don't know why he's bleeding. Big old clot, blood clot just came out of him. Blood on my legs, blood on the yak. That ain't from me. That's for sure. Man, I can't believe I broke my GoPro. I think it's broke. Definitely could be screwed back on. Hopefully. stays on. I don't hit it again. I'll have to mess with it when I get home. Honestly, I just think I popped it right off the screw. So yeah, some plastic broke. Checking real quick, make sure I don't have to retie. I think I might be alright. At least one more good catch. Or snag.